A quick check out over the LAX area. We do have some partly cloudy skies out there. We will likely see some of that fog building in across some of the area as we make our way into the late hours this evening. Otherwise, temperatures in the 60s right now across the LAX area. Wanting to bring you up some record temperatures for our downtown area. So our forecasted highs for today were in the 60s. We did manage to get that with our observed temperature, 66 degrees for the downtown area today. So very close to that average of 68 degrees, and those lows right on there. As far as those record temperatures, nowhere near that, but I can tell you that by the time we get to, I'd say, Friday and Saturday, we are looking at a chance for temperatures to be in the 80s. So no 90s, but still feeling very summer-like. Our visibility has been an issue throughout the day. I said I woke up this morning, I looked out my window, and I couldn't even tell what was happening out there. Still the case across some of the area. We do still have some visibility issues up in Burbank, as well as Ontario and San Bernardino, under about 5 miles there. One thing that I do want to point out, if you are going to be out on the roads this evening, make sure to use those low beams if you are going to be driving through some of this fog. Go ahead and avoid the high beams. It does get tricky out there if you do that. Otherwise, lows tonight in the 30s across Lancaster, Victorville, San Bernardino at 46 degrees, Riverside at 45, across Long Beach 47. That's the case in Santa Monica as well, and Camarillo coming in the 40s. And wanting to always point out Big Bear there, 23 degrees. Such a huge variation of temperatures from what we do see here across the city. Our highs for tomorrow still going to be closer to those seasonal averages. We are still going to get some 60s and 70s on the map there. Ontario coming in at 76. Riverside also at that 76. As we take a look along the coast, some 60s will be in the mix. Again, it's not until we get to our Friday that we really start to see those temperatures pumping up. Air quality for tomorrow will be in the moderate zone, so very similar to what we did see today. And as for our UV index level, those numbers will be at a moderate, so still coming in at a 3. We always want to make sure to get our sunscreen on and protect ourselves from that sun. It only takes about 30 minutes for that sunburn to actually settle in. Friday, there's a look at those 70s and 80s popping up on the map, and a quick check-in on your 7-day forecast shows plenty of sunshine, a warm couple of days coming up, and then the breezes as well with those Santa Ana winds across not just our mountains, but also across the high deserts, especially moving into next week as well.